What is the function of the last paragraph in the context of the entire passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about the agricultural focus of the Russian economy, and the second paragraph discusses the reasons behind such a focus, and the third paragraph talks about Russian economy's transition to a more industrial modern life. So it can be inferred that in the context of the passage as a whole, the third paragraph introduces a new angle of transition. Let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, it summarizes the discussion in the preceding paragraphs and suggests additional areas of research. In the context of the passage of the whole, the third paragraph talks about the transition of Russian economy, whereas the earlier paragraphs talk about the agricultural focus of the Russian economy. So it is incorrect to state that the third paragraph summarizes the discussion of preceding paragraphs. Also, the third paragraph does not offer any additional areas of research with respect to Russia's economic growth. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, it offers a different perspective on the discussion in the preceding paragraphs to showcase the ongoing modernization of the Russian economy. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the preceding discussion relates to the agricultural focus in the Russian economy and the reasons for the same, whereas the third paragraph talks about several forces that are helping Russia transition into a modern life. So this answer choice correctly highlights the purpose of the last paragraph. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, exceptional case that does not hold. In the context of the third paragraph, the passage does not discuss any exceptional case that does not hold. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, it discusses in detail a previously introduced aspect. The third paragraph introduces the aspect of transition of the Russian economy, whereas the earlier discussion in the passage talks about the agricultural focus of the Russian economy. So it is incorrect to state that the third paragraph discusses in detail an aspect that was previously introduced. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, it presents a recommendation to deal with an issue of the agricultural economy. The third paragraph simply talks about the Russian economy's transition away from the agricultural economy, but the passage does not talk about any recommendation to deal with any issue of the agricultural economy. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer choice.